Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Greek yogurt. Transforming regular yogurt into its thicker, tangier Greek counterpart is surprisingly simple. The primary distinction between the two lies in a straightforward straining process. You can achieve this with either homemade or store-bought plain yogurt, making it a versatile and accessible kitchen project. Get ready to enjoy a richer, more satisfying yogurt experience with just a few easy steps. To begin, line a fine mesh colander with 2 or 3 layers of cheesecloth, or use a clean coffee filter. Carefully pour your plain yogurt into this prepared colander. Next, place the colander over a deeper bowl, ensuring there is space for the liquid, known as whey, to drain. This entire setup should then be placed in your refrigerator. Allow it to strain for at least 2 to 4 hours to start the thickening process. The longer you allow your yogurt to strain, the thicker and creamier it will become. For a very firm, almost cream cheese-like consistency, you might strain it for 4 to 8 hours, or even overnight. Remember that approximately 1 cup of regular yogurt will yield about 1/2 cup of delicious Greek yogurt. The liquid that separates is called whey, which is rich in protein and can be used in smoothies or baking, so do not discard it. Once your Greek yogurt has reached your desired thickness, carefully transfer it from the cheesecloth into an airtight container. Now is the perfect time to customize its flavor. You can stir in a spoonful of honey, maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dash of vanilla extract. Store your freshly made Greek yogurt in the refrigerator. It will maintain its wonderful texture and taste for approximately 5 to 7 days, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.